Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. I've been quiet. I've been quiet for you know, since Chip Drop Clash. I'm not react to no more. I say song, but I'm not react. Been quiet. Just wanted to take a little rest. But I'm back. Today, guys, we're here with Caprio. Caprio, Daily Duppy. Never heard of this artist, never listened to him before. So at the first time we are jumping, I wanna so I can go see what go on, man. Daily Duppy, man. Big up on the self, man. Big up the editors, them. I keep saying it. Big up on the self, dog. Let's go right now. As you can see, the dog have some little thing go on and stuff. You know, cool like Kool-Aid. Look at the glass. I'm in trouble. Let's go. Let's go!
Pour champagne for my haters and sip on this Pinot Grigio. This one's for my council babies that never had money or heroes. I didn't have these characters, drug rehab and a D-Lo. Man grew up with the travelers, shout out Patrick, shout out Nico.
Man grew up with the travelers, shout out. The travelers, them are the Irish, them call them gypsy. You know, they got them. Bad boy, them.
None of these Joe men know my pain. Some of them think they know my history. Niggas don't even know if I'm sane. You know what I'm saying? Spent all my childhood hoping and praying. Blood of a king, they fly in my veins.
If you don't listen carefully, a lot of these bars go over your head. He's going in deep. He's going in deep. Emotional. This seems like a very short Daily Duppy. Seem like a one song I get. I don't know.
Blocks used to smell like piss. Our sofa was level with rips in. We had to cop from the charity shop. Light in the hallway, always flicking. One Adidas trainer under my bed and an unbroke shirt in a boiler.
So basically, so far, I'm gonna tell you him upbringing how hard it was. It wasn't easy like 1, 2, 3. It wasn't easy like a Sunday morning. I'm gonna tell you where I'm forward from. You see me? To where he is now. That's good.
Now they think my life is a movie. What car drive one whip with a spoiler? Tell me, what do you do when you're brought down flat as a kid and your mom's suicidal? My big bro ain't really done much. Look at your pops and he ain't too reliable.
Deadbeat father. So it's good to see somebody out of the family make it out. Him say him mother, him say me no one beat down flat. Him mother suicidal. Him bigger brother never do much. You see me? So him can't look up to him. Even though him bigger brother, him can't look up to him. Him father is not reliable. You see me? It ain't too reliable. I should say. Let's go.
Swinging nights where we lost our virginity. Man's been seeing blades push through vitals. Pops and what you do when you're brought down flat as a kid and your mom's suicidal. My big bro ain't really done much. Look at your pops and he ain't too reliable. Swinging nights where we lost our virginity. Man's been seeing blades push through vitals. I put my faith in squares. What the fuck could I do with the Bible? My mom was sick. My dad was sick.
Hold on. I want to touch back on this.
Done much, look at your pops and he ain't too reliable. Swinging nights where we lost our virginity. Man's been seeing blades push through vitals. I put my faith in squares. What the fuck could I do with the Bible? Man's been seeing blades push through vitals. I put my faith in squares. What the fuck could I do with the Bible?
I put my faith in squares. What the could I do with Bible? Basically, my tell you say, yo, the Bible are trash. You see me? Nothing in the Bible me can relate to. That's what the boss say. In squares, what is squares? Explain to me, guys. What is squares? Input him faith in squares. So that is that money and street life, road life. Explain the term squares for me, please.
My mum was sick, my dad was sick, my grandma's old, my brother's a prick, my little sis picked up eating the sodas like.
Yo, you can tell us you don't like him, bigger brother. Bigger brother, if you watch this, your little brother don't like you. Your little brother don't like your dirty style, brother. Your style dirty. The man don't like it. You see me? Caprio tell us, brother, I don't like your style. First, him tell us, say, yo, him can't look up to you. You see me? You're waste, man. Now him say, yo, you're a prick. Sorry, big brother. Sorry, but I'm just saying. I'm just reacting, bro. Sorry.
My big bro ain't really done much. Look at your pops and he ain't too reliable. Swinging nights where we lost our virginity. Man's been seeing blades push through vitals. I put my faith in squares. What the fuck could I do with the Bible? My mum was sick, my dad was sick, my grandma's old, my brother's a prick. My little sis picked up eating disorders. Life just came at us way too quick. I miss the times when things were fine and money was just some paper object. For my sister died and my mum fell ill and I picked up a saviour complex.
Sister, RIP to your sister, my friend. RIP to your sis, bro. Some deep family issues there going on, bro. Deep. And to put it in words, put it in a song, bro. Yeah, talent. Keep going, bro. Keep pushing on strong, my G. You see me? Tough time don't last. Tough people do, brother. You're here. Tough, my G. Forward.
My little sis picked up eating disorders. Life just came at us way too quick. I miss the times when things were fine and money was just some paper object. For my sister died and my mum fell ill and I picked up a saviour complex. This ride ain't no Alton Towers. Look inside of my council estate, I'll show you about haunted houses.
The ride there is not no Alton Towers. The ride there is not no theme park. The ride there, no little fairground. You see me? A real life shit this. That's what the boss I tell you say. You see me? Man say, yo, looking at my council estate, I'm gonna show you haunted houses. No joke. Rough upbringing, my G. You're strong though.
Spent my whole life walking round them. Man of the house, I wore them trousers. Had no coat for them autumn showers. My blocks would smell like shit. I was so fucking embarrassed. You know what I done for the queen? Get it from Croydon to Buckingham Palace. In the later half of my teens, bro, I was just fucking a right. If there was a life out the hood, then I wanted to have it. You see a murderer, I see a brother that's probably scared for all his teens. You see a crackhead, I see a you, I'm ready for life and all his demons.
Oh gosh, this guy is talented. Oh, guys, I the first man listen to him. My fam, I the first man listen to your project when you put out. Sorry, my bad. But I'm here now. You see me? Big up, man.
Just fucking a right. If there was a life out the hood, then I wanted to have it. You see a murderer, I see a brother that's probably scared for all his teens. You see a crackhead, I see a you, I'm ready for life and all his demons. You see a rapper, I see a pussy. Some of them literally walking memes. Fam.
He's throwing shots. You see a rapper, so basically, he must say to Uno say the viewers looking in the music industry, looking at some of these rappers. Uno say rapper, me see a pussy. Pussy. That is what I see.
Murderer, I see a brother that's probably scared for all his teens. You see a crackhead, I see a you, I'm ready for life and all his demons. You see a rapper, I see a pussy. Some of them literally walking memes. Fam, you might see me in a Lambo, fuck all the fame, it ain't all it seems. Don't tell me about hardship if you had love and you never went hungry. Never been evicted, never been country. Never had neighbours that were all junkies. Word, don't tell me I'm guarded when I know half of these youths are funky. I tried to go through life all humbly. How did that help me? What has it done me? I can't believe the things.
Him try to go through life being a good boy, humble. But wait, get you. The old people have a saying, say the humblest calf suck the most milk. No! You have to be aggressive. You have to be out there, you have to be out there looking it. Now what next thing say, the Lord will provide. Provide for who? You go sit down and make the Lord provide. No, brother, you have to go out there, go look it, brother. You get 24 hours. So that's what the boss are doing right now, my G. I'm outside. Now the girl let him up. Alright, let's go.
Never been country, never had neighbours that were all junkies. Word, don't tell me I'm guarded when I know half of these youths are funky. I tried to go through life all humbly. How did that help me? What has it done me? I can't believe the things I've seen. Things that I thought were normal, things that I thought were standard, things that I know were scornful. It's mad how many men are killed these days to impress these kids in Cornwall. And I'd probably end up just like them if I never had bank withdrawals. So, pour champagne for my haters and sip on this Pinot Grigio. This one for my council babies that never had money or heroes. Adderton had his characters, drug rehab on the D-Lo. Man grew up with the travellers, shout out Patrick, shout out Nico.
Nico! Big up yourself, Nico. Patrick, big up yourself, my G. But still remember on it, you see me? Bumbuckler, that one is fire. Ooh, god damn. How the Caprio, you went in, bro. Bro, you went in, bro. Yo, this bad. Me enjoy that one, yeah. Me enjoy that one, dog. God damn. Me enjoy that one, yeah. Caprio, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, fam. You've been through it. You face it, my fam. You face the struggles. You face the pain. But you're here. You're still there, my G. You see me? Tough time to last. Tough people do, my friend. You see me? Go and keep your head up, my fam, and go and put out the music and shame the pussy them. Shame them. Yeah. So we're here. So guys, this is what I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoyed that one, please leave a like. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and please leave a comment down below. I know I miss a lot of bars, but it's cool. It's all good. It's a vibe. It's a vibe over here. Big up on yourself. I'm out.